Hello students, welcome to today's video lesson. Today we shall discuss determiners. Determiners are words positioned before nouns and pronouns to identify things with better specificity. Let us go over the basic characteristic features of determiners. They are a form of adjectives. They are used as quantifiers, demonstratives, possessives, and interrogatives. Quantifiers can be definite, indefinite, distributive. The definite article the and the indefinite articles a and an can also be called determiners. Let us discuss a few examples of quantifiers. Some, many, a lot of, a few, much, either, neither are examples of quantifiers. Here are some sentences based on the usage of quantifiers. We still have a few more minutes before the train leaves. There are some fruits on the table. Neither of the two women is his mother. There is not much water left to be used. Quantifiers can be definite like the cardinals or numerals. For example, 3, 4, 1,000, etc. Indefinite like the words many, much, more, etc. Distributive like the words each, every, either, neither. Next we come to the demonstratives. They refer to a particular thing or kind of things. There are 4 demonstrative determiners in English, which are this, that, those, and these. Examples: these days we return home by bus. This is the center of the circle. That house is not ours. Those flowers are freshly plucked. Next we have possessives, which denote ownership and belonging. Possessive determiners are followed by nouns. They are my, your, his, hers, its, our, your, and their. Some examples of possessives are: it was not my decision to visit the zoo today. You should always follow your own path in life. It is her home and she has the keys to it. Their locality is known for the famous dhaba. Possessive pronouns such as mine, his, hers, yours, ours, their are different from possessive pronouns in the sense that they are not followed by nouns. Then we have the interrogatives. They are used for inquiry or asking questions regarding something specific. The words which, what, whose, where, etc. are interrogatives. Let us see some examples. Which agent was supposed to solve the case? What subject do you like the most? Whose pencil is this? Articles too form a part of determiners. There are 2 types of articles: indefinite a and an, definite the. We use a and an with singular countable nouns. Moreover, a is used before words starting with a consonant sound, while an is used before words which start with a vowel sound. The is the only definite article which is used to specify or identify something in particular. For examples, the Bay of Bengal, the Himalayas. With that, we come to the end of today's video lesson on determiners. For further revision, do go through our question and answer files.